Look, if you want to get rich, you want to be really successful. When I say rich, I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about a rich life, freedom, time with family, choices, get to do what you want. You get to move where you want, go where you want, do what you want. Opportunities of contraction. Trust me, folks, in your lifetime, you're going to see another contraction more severe than the one you saw in 2007. More severe. Does that scare you? Scares me. It scares me enough to say, hey, buddy, you better get busy. The marketplace will always discipline people that aren't prepared. Success loves preparation. It loves it. It admires it. It just flows money back to it. Success loves preparation. And the marketplace will discipline those that are just stuck in the pack. Because the number one dominating force on planet Earth is the media. It's the media. The media, 800 TV channels spew negativity onto the American public and every other country on planet Earth. They just puke it on you. It was self-published. It's never, ever, ever been in a bookstore. A guy writes me, says, man, you got misspelled words all in that book. I'm like, yeah, so what? Where are they? 123, 128, 134, 165, 120. I'm like, yeah. And bad grammar, too. I'm like, yeah, what's your point, dude? What's your point, man? Why you keep telling me that? He's like, because, man, you got misspelled words in the book. It's a bestseller, bitch. Okay, so it ain't best written, okay? This word bitch, just so nobody I don't want you to think that that's a cuss word. The word bitch, look it up in the dictionary, means a complainer, a whiner, an excuse maker. I hear about the unemployment numbers every day. I said, I sure wish they'd talk about all the people that are employed that don't deserve a job. Because there's millions of those still in the marketplace. And the next time we get another contraction, those people are going to get delivered pain. That's what the marketplace does, man. It basically disciplines anybody that refuses to discipline themselves. Total domination. You see what I'm saying? You want to be in a dominating point, okay? So what we got to do is we got to get you thinking. We got to get you thinking like the dominators think. How do they act? How does Warren Buffett act? What does Warren Buffett do with his time all the time? Those are the people I study today. I don't study the people that I went to school with, the teachers I went to school with. I don't even study my own family members, okay? I'm looking for people that are way up here that I can say, hey, what are they doing? Because they're doing it right. If you're not sure of your value, if you think you're worth 80 grand, you're worth 80 grand. Would you agree? If you think you're worth 150 grand, you're probably worth 150. If you think whatever you think you're worth, if you're not sure of your own value, your own goals, and what you want, the world will never reward you of what you want, your value, and your goals. Never. It won't happen. Can't happen. I got to remind myself every day, what is my value in the marketplace? What are my goals in the marketplace? What am I worth in the marketplace, okay? What do I deserve in the market? And that's why the middle class is failing. The middle class isn't failing because of politics, okay? The middle class is failing because the middle class is using the wrong formula. A formula that worked 40 years ago might not work in the U.S. economy today, right? Maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that 5-day job, maybe that gig's over and maybe it's 7 days now. Maybe it's a 7-day pitch now. I don't know. I know in my life it's 7 days. I'll never, ever have my freedom taken from me again. So it's not money I'm trying to accumulate. It's market share I'm trying to accumulate. I'm trying to accumulate market share so when things soften again, who's left? The strongest player in the market. Okay, that means I need to be every day selling myself. I'm going to write a New York Times best-selling book, okay? I'm going to speak to tens of thousands of people. I'm going to help millions of people on planet Earth. I'm literally reminding myself every day. When I wake up in the morning, I write my goals down. When I go to bed at night, I write my goals down. It's the first thing and the last thing I do every day. I've been doing that for 25 years. I'm dominating myself in my own thinking.